Now, when was the last time you saw one of these bad boys? 2002 Toyota Echo. 226,000 miles in a teal green color, and it's actually in pretty darn good shape to be 22 years old. I mean, very good shape. Paint's in good shape. Let's check under the hood. Look at that little BBTI. There's how much oil she holds. I mean, runs smooth. Someone has really taken care of this car. Their local mechanic with the little notes everywhere. Could use a pressure washing, but that little engine purrs like new. What a cool little car. She's a little dirty on the inside. Looks like somebody used her as a work commuter the past several years. But she runs good. Let's take her for a little drive. And she'll clean up nice. Look at that back seat. That reminds me of a Mitsubishi Mirage back seat with how flat it is, you know. Yeah, she's dirty. She hasn't had a bath in years. We got some seat covers on here. Lots of just dirt. Yeah, this was somebody's commuter car. But you know what? The seats aren't bad. They tried to protect them. So I commend the owner on that. Heck, theirs even cold. Are you kidding me? Let's put it on recirculate. There we go. Got your crazy little center pod there. All right, let's drive a straight shift and film. Oh man, this little car handles good. Oh, we got a clutch going out. Yep. That's why she traded her in. Phil Hughes Honda. So traded in on a Honda. Man, it runs, it drives great. But yep, the clutch is going. It's real slow to engage. But it would be drivable for a while. You could get by with driving it for a little bit. Dude, I see no hood. None. No hood. Where's the freaking hood? Oh, dude, this would be a fun car to drive. And it's probably a very dangerous and deadly car to drive. I mean, if you got hit by a smart car, you might die. But dude, I love it. Love it. What a great, inexpensive way for someone to get around, you know? All right, let's try and road suit through some, with a clutch, it's slipping. All right, here we go. God, it's got good pickup. Hear that clutch? Man, this thing has great pickup. Wow. It really does. Unbelievable. What good pickup for such a tiny engine, but it's a tiny car. I gotta say, I gotta do that again. I'll probably, I want to drive it a little slower so I can maybe shift through a few more gears. Only hit second. Let's try and go for okay, first, second, slip and clutch, ooh, third, all the cogs are there, fourth, yeah, shoot yeah. She's good to go, man. Good to go. You think a clutch would be cheap to have put in one of these? That's something I do not know how to do. I would definitely have to pay someone to do that. It couldn't be super expensive on an O2 Echo though, could it? Well, anyway, this guy's gonna be here forever. Tell me what you think about the Toyota Echo. Let's see if the radio works. I'll be damned. Well, a little bit of a smoking going on. Got little cubby compartments right here. Those are pretty cool. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the O2 Toyota Echo. I may bid on this little car. If it sells for $1,000 or something, I'll buy it. Shoot, yeah, I will. But I bet it'll bring about 1,500. That's my guess. 1,500. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one, y'all. Peace.